Diesel. Hey, pretty boy. And that's Socrates. You gonna play? Come get your dog. Come on, come get your birthday present. Give him a bite. Give him a bite. Where's Socrates? You got a toy? Pick up your toy. Play with Diesel. Get that doggy. Get that doggy. Diesel and Socks love to play.
Great. Looks like we just set up mini brushes. We should check out our workshop.
Don't get camera shy. Get the toy. Get that toy.
I want to paint something else.
Get it, get it.
Their Premium Plus interior paint only at the Home Depot and starting at $23.46 a gallon.
You done? Is that it? Okay. Say goodbye. Say we'll see you in the fall, guys.
Stunning work of technology.